So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a perfect triangle. Like sometimes you want to make a spike, like you want to make a perfect triangle, cause there's no triangle shape thingy in Scratch. But it's actually pretty easy to make a triangle, even though there's no button to make a triangle. So I'll just start. So first, I'm gonna hold Shift and make a square. Hold Shift. Remember, we need to make a perfect triangle. We need a perfect square. Then you could choose whatever color you like. I'm just choosing red. Now I'm just gonna, the corner. I'm gonna use the selecting tool and then delete a corner. And then I'm just gonna hold Shift and rotate it, so it's gonna be exactly like that. And that's making a triangle. Now it's like a perfect triangle. It made a triangle. It did that. Okay. I hope this tutorial helped you, and I'll see you next time.